Good morning to one and all. I'm elated and proud to meet you all in this noble day. Happy Independence Day, everyone. I'm Kalayarasi, Joint Secretary of SBC Student Council. On the behalf of Alumni Association, I take immense pleasure in inviting you all to this budding bright engineers awarding ceremony. Let us start with a prayer song. It is said that the aim of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of the one who prays. I would like to invite Shaktishi from Chemical Department to sing us a prayer song.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அதிர் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெருந்தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிலமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
On behalf of everyone present here, thank you Shakti Shri for invoking divinity to this award ceremony. I consider it a great privilege to invite our beloved patron, Dr. S. Ganesh Vaidyanathan, to address the gathering.
Thank you. Hope I am audible.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes, audible, sir.
Okay. So very good morning to all of you. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. On behalf of SVCE, I welcome the alumni president, secretary, and treasurer who have gathered here on this auspicious occasion of bestowing the Budding Bright Engineer Award, which is instituted and given away by the SVCE Alumni Association for all our young students of SVCE. So these students have been selected on the basis of the merit, and this award is not a new one. It has been given since, if I'm right in my remembrance, since the year 1993 or 94 when it was first initiated. So over the years, this award, though it is quite small in terms of magnitude, that is but it still carries a lot of significance. In the sense, the students are identified. Probably, I think in SVCE, I think this must be one of the early awards that the students receive, whoever is deserving. I think much before they are selected for any other award. Later on, we have a host of awards, either instituted at the department level or at the college level. Even very recently, we finished conducting the interviews for, the awards of Dr. Srimati Devaki Muthaiya Award, which is one of the most coveted award given away by the college. Then we have the Panikkar Award, which is given at the third year level for an outstanding student. So there are many college level awards. See, basically all these awards are intended to motivate the students, and certainly to be considered as an awardee is really a very special feeling that the students might have, because see, much after all their toil and effort and all the efforts they put in, right? It is not simply an award is going to be given away to someone unless otherwise the person is really deserving. This award is not going to come their way. So that way, this alumni Budding Bright Engineer Awards is one of the early awards that is introduced to the students, even as they are in the second year level. So this is to ensure that they are motivated and they continue to put their hard work as the way they have done so far in the future years also, so that they become eligible for the other awards as well. See, the Alumni Association of SVC is a very powerful entity. because, SVC was started in the year 1985. The first batch graduated in the year 1989. So you can just count the number of years. Over the years, more than 20 to 25,000 alumni are there as a part of this association. Many of them are, in significance walk of the society. They hold very key positions. They are business people, they are technocrats, they are entrepreneurs, they are politicians, there are actors. So in all walks of life, you can find an SVCN, being present, right? Even as vice chancellors in university, even as professors in foreign university, you name the field, you will find an SVCN is present in the field. So the Alumni Association is a very powerful entity, and to receive an award on behalf of all of them, even at this second year level, is considered to be a very coveted, thing. I think the seniors who are gathered here, including our alumni president and all the senior students who are gathered here, will vouch for, the prestige behind receiving this particular award. So I first of all congratulate all the recipients of this award. Especially the significance of this year is we have included for the first time the recipients from artificial intelligence and data science, for the kind information of all the alumni who have gathered here. So artificial intelligence and data science was started since last year, and these students are receiving this award for the first time. See, this award is given away to covering the students of all branches. In fact, since the number of recipients is predetermined and fixed, it's not just one recipient, we ensure that in all the disciplines, students are motivated. So that is the reason why, the award money is also split up, because we feel money is not a big thing, because money will come and go. But the recognition and the motivation, if it is extended to as many students as possible, then that will probably motivate them to go to the next step. So with that motivation, we have also included artificial intelligence and data science, thanks to Dr. Janardhanan, the man behind the show. So he's a professor in computer science, and he's the man taking care of all the activities of Alumni Association with the support from all the alumni coordinators. So thanks to all of them, and especially to Professor Janardhanan for making this happen today. So while saying this, I want to achieve, because my message is not going to be anything very special, but I want to share some of the thoughts that goes behind, the eligibility to receive these awards, and what is that we expect from all these people. While on one side, we can simply say, once this kind of award is there, there is an entity called Alumni Association. So students will start understanding that there is something like an SVC Alumni Association with a lot of members, and a largest association among various colleges, and very powerful association in terms of, as I mentioned, you have people in all walks of life who are ready to help their fellow members, and also they are very considerate, I should say, whenever something is needed by someone who is in some way associated with SVC. For example, very recently, see, I would like to record my appreciation to the first batch of alumni. There is a first batch of alumni which passed out in the year 1989. They have instituted a scholarship for girl students. In fact, they are paying the fees for all the 4 years for some number of girl students, which is a very a great gesture. Right, they are giving something like the full fees for the girl students, because they felt that in most of the families, a preference is still given for the boys. Though we are still considered to be a developed society, but there is a mindset in some families that boys need to get preference, that they need to get better studies. And sometimes, in spite of girls doing well, some families feel that the investment only needs to go for their marriage and things like that. No one can refuse that this is not the mentality still. It is still prevalent in our society, even in learned families. So looking at that kind of a need, the first batch of alumni, they have instituted an award for the girl students. They cover the tuition fees for all the 4 years. Again, the effort is taken by our Dean Student Welfare and with the support from Dr. Janardhanan and all the people. And we actually shortlist the people from our management scholarship. We select some people who are eligible. Why I'm bringing this point here is while congratulating and thanking them for this kind gesture. Not only this batch, even many other batches come forward to help in many ways. I think the 94 batch of ECE has instituted a scholarship for the ECE students itself. So there is a lot of opportunities available because many students feel, at this point of time during the pandemic where financial things are very difficult, you can approach the Office of Dean Student Welfare to know what are the options available. But though the options may be available, you should deserve these awards and scholarships. So you should make yourself prepared. You should put in effort because anything comes only with effort. So why I'm talking about this first batch alumni award here is, as I mentioned, see, the Alumni Association is a very considerate entity. Whenever something is needed, very recently, one of the staff, for some reason, he put forth a request stating that he is finding it very difficult to pay fees for his daughter and things like that. And this was brought to the notice of the batch. They again immediately constituted their committee and they said, okay, we will also, because that girl being a girl student and she has also scored well. And she came within the ambit of that award. So the Alumni Association, sorry, not the alumni, I mean the first batch alumni, it's a different scholarship. It's not associated with the Alumni Association. So that particular batch, they immediately decided within probably a week or so, okay, we will also support that. See, by shelling out their own money, they pool in money and they pay for these children. Why I'm saying this is, so one aspect of knowing, or especially we want the awardees to know that there is an entity called Alumni Association, which is very large entity, which is a very powerful entity, which is a very considerate entity, right? So obviously you will also become a part of this association after 4 years. And you should also come forward to motivate your fellow juniors, leave out SVC, at least as a service to the society, right? See, because service to the society, we can't just go and jump and, we are not politicians to reach out to everyone, right, whom we come across. So we can have our own circle of society to which we can serve. So this association is, it can certainly, help you in reaching out to some of the people whom you think deserve to be helped the way you have been, recognized and remunerated now. I'm not saying that this award has to be returned back. I'm just saying that you should understand that there is an association with a lot of activities. So you can also look for similar activities, which will give us satisfaction. So leaving out that, I want, to mention also another point. See, as an awardee of some award, right? You are all going to be called as budding bright engineers. In fact, after 4 years, when you're again applying for the selection of the best student award or something, I have seen many of the applicants mentioning that I have got my first award in SVC, which was the Budding Bright Engineer Award. So you guys also have the potential, whomever is going to get it today, you have the potential to turn out to be, an outstanding student of SVC also. Because see, we have now selected you people based on some special traits, which I feel you should retain. Why I say this, you may ask. Because we find that, an award is also sometimes a kind of, brings in a kind of ego or something that, okay, I've already been recognized. I've already been, I have already come in a certain, I have reached certain place and I have already been recognized. So which means I've already achieved what I had to, right? So this kind of complacent attitude sometimes pulls us down. I'll tell you a very practical example here. see, you see that there are more than, I think every department, every section has a recipient, which means the number of budding bright engineers who are going to receive the award today is actually numerous. But when it comes to the selection of the outstanding student award at the third year level or at the fourth year level, it is a handful, which means where are the other people going? Though we have identified their special traits in the very beginning itself, still probably they forget their special traits and they forget their own achievements and think that, okay, yeah, I think I have reached some pinnacle. So that is enough for me. I tell you that if this kind of attitude is going to creep in your mind, I tell you that that is the end of it. We will be going nowhere. So you have to necessarily retain your special traits. You have to retain your achievements. Whatever has made you to receive this award today, it could be your merit or it could be whatever, right? See, it's the first step, as I said. But this award should serve as the motivating factor to step on to the next step, third step, fourth step, like that. And ultimately, see, we will compete. We should be at least eligible to compete. It's not that everyone can be considered as an outstanding student, but we should be in a position to compete. We should be in a position to become eligible to compete with those handful of students. But I don't want really handful. I want all of you should be eligible to come over there. Maybe when you come to the third year or final year, you should still retain all these special traits and, be eligible as a prospective candidate. I tell you why. See, because, see, this is an age where, we are actually, while we are celebrating Independence Day today, we are really not independent in many aspects. I tell you why. Very simple thing is all of us are dependent on Google. Am I right? You may be laughing at what is this principle is linking Independence Day with Google. What is wrong in being dependent on Google? Yes, we can be dependent on Google. All of us have got Google apps in our phones. All of us have smartphones. All of us are smart in terms of possessing smartphones. But I tell you something, nowhere when we consider all these awards, we go by your natural intelligence rather than artificial intelligence or your assisted intelligence. So-called assisted intelligence, which you gather through your Google or whatever, Bing or whatever. I tell you a very practical example. I'm not simply exaggerating this. While assessing, while examining one of the applicants for this Best Student Award, okay, we asked a question, right? We found that 2 or 3 people immediately, when we were actually watching them through the video as well, the moment we asked them a question, their camera went blank. Okay, they make it appear to be like a normal phenomena of camera getting shut or probably a glitch in the bandwidth or something like that. So the camera first goes cut, then they take some time. Hello, I'm not able to hear, sir. There is a problem. So while all these things are happening, Google is playing its role behind. See, this is not, I'm not trying to point out to, some particular thing done by some student and trying to bring it here, because this is an auspicious time where we are supposed to only talk about positive things. But I am saying that this is a very natural kind of behavior that is creeping in most of us, including, say, probably me. Sometimes, we try to pretend with all this, because as I said, this is the era of artificial intelligence and assisted intelligence, which is actually overshadowing our natural intelligence. Okay. So while this happened, what happens is when we ask the questions, say some question, not technical really. It is some generic questions to test about their general knowledge. So the camera goes off and then they take some time. Meanwhile, their finger searches for Google because they have multiple gadgets. Then they get some answer. It so happened that one of the topmost students who was vying, or who was really a potential candidate for the outstanding student, when we asked a question, the answer came out to be wrong. Okay, nothing wrong in giving a wrong answer, because not everyone knows everything. But later on, when we saw ourselves why that wrong answer came in, it was the wrong information in Google. Please don't think that Google is a god and gives only the correct answer Okay, Google also sometimes misleads people, right? Unfortunately, this candidate has got a misleading answer from Google, and the student mentioned that. You know what happened because of that? Our image of a very potential student, a very good student, came crashing down. At least for me, as a member of the panel, I suddenly lost the image of a student who's considered to be a very potential student at the beginning of the interview, suddenly crashed down. Okay, and towards the end, obviously, needless to say that the student was not selected for the award. This happened in reality. I tell you, I don't want to mention any specific questions asked for, specific answers, and the student and all, but this is a very glaring example of how people, they think their intelligence is has to be assisted by Google. They think that because here again, incidentally, as I said, we are awarding the artificial intelligence and data science students for the first time. It doesn't mean that we are all humans, right? We have our own intelligence, which can not even meet a speckle of artificial intelligence. In fact, our achievements in AI has not even reached a speckle of the level of natural intelligence. This is what is the reality. Even in 2021, while we talk about so many applications based on AI is in no way closer to the human intelligence. Why I'm saying this particular thing is, so please rely on your personal traits. I underline, don't rely on computer alone. Don't rely on the machines. Don't think that whatever programming you do is the best thing. We want you to transform as a human being. We want you to transform. See, I tell you something, getting a degree, getting even a distinction in your thing is not going to make you special. As I just now mentioned, the student who was a very good academic scorer, the student who was a very good communicator, the student who was considered to be a very potential candidate for the award, in one moment, the student lost her image. Okay, his or her image, and based on that, you see, the whole thing was lost. See, that way, you should understand that it is purely the human attitude that plays a major role. I don't mind even saying here that our alumni president, Madam Soumya Mahadevan, I don't know, Madam has joined here today. She recently came for, her recruitment. It's very unfortunate that she was not able to select a student this year, though she has some interns and some potential, employees in her organization last year in the last batch. I'm not very sure if she was not able to, for various reasons, which she will be able to probably tell. Why I'm saying this is, so where is then the question of awarding so many budding bright engineers on the basis of academics? What happened in these 3 years? Why is that they are not able to get through even, obviously when an alumna is coming for a recruitment, she will be having more consideration. She will be anyway having a feeling that I need to help my fellow SVCians, but we are not giving them an opportunity, right? So let our attitude not come in between our opportunities. Okay, attitude is not your academics. Attitude is not your ability to work with artificial intelligence. And when I say artificial intelligence, I'm talking about our proficiency in the gadgets, our proficiency in using computers, our proficiency in using mobile phones. I'm not saying that. I tell you, till the end of the world, when human being is interacting with other human being, he will only look for the human traits. Okay, whether you have more of values than vices. Okay, I hope you all know about values. I think, I don't know if I talked to you during the first year induction program. They will prefer your values rather than vices. They will prefer the reality. Okay, they will prefer the reality than the virtual things. Because nowadays everything is virtual. Even this meeting is now virtual. We do not know how many of you are still there in front of the system, right? Even I am speaking, it could be a recorded message as well for you. Who knows? Unless otherwise you see me, right? So I'll just show my face just for that. Okay. So everything is virtual, so when human being is interacting with another human being, it needs to be an assessment of human attitude, human values, whatever you see is like how see, the whole idea behind all these awards is we have identified you as a potential candidate who is capable of receiving these awards. I earnestly request all of you awardees to please, hone your traits. Okay, identify your traits. Everyone is endowed with the same amount of brain. Everyone is endowed with the same amount of capabilities by Mother Nature. Mother Nature is not discriminating. Okay, so please try to exploit that. See to that your personal traits are honed. Be a good communicator. Be a good human being. Right? If you don't know an answer, be very bold to say that I'm very sorry. I do not know the answer. May I know the answer from the panel? This is the right way of answering instead of referring to Google and probably giving a wrong answer. Is it not? So these kind of personal traits, I think you need to necessarily, cultivate so that you guys and girls will be able to, go to the next level of award. I only wish that I want to see you getting more and more awards, especially from this particular batch that is receiving the Budding Bright Engineer Award today. I want to see as many of them, to come to the, not only come to get the outstanding award or, whatever. There are hundreds of awards, right? Scholarships, okay, everywhere. Even we have a best sports student award. Do you know something? Again, one another candidate could not get the best sports award this time because of the attitude. The student was supposed to go abroad in a couple of days or maybe the next day, and the student had to undergo an RT-PCR test. No doubt about it. It's very essential. Otherwise, travel is not permitted. But then, in spite of intimating that the interview is scheduled on a particular date and time, the student did not have the courtesy to call the panel and say, because Venkateshwara is a very courteous place. We certainly respect the sentiments of all the people. If only we received a call, we would have said, okay, no problem. Anytime you are welcome, to come and attend the interview. That is the gesture we would have probably provided from our end. But there was not even a kind of effort from the students' end to say that, they were tied up and not in a position to. See, though the reason is genuine, the attitude is poor, right? Because of that attitude, we said that because the panel was waiting and waiting and waiting, we thought the student will be joining. But unfortunately, later on, we came to know that the student is not joining because the student is not available. So please ensure that though these things may be minor in your viewpoint, but these are all not real minor things. They make a lot of importance, okay? Because it is ultimately we are going to interact with other human beings and not simply with robots. And as long as we human beings, still believe that the other human beings form the society, I think all our values, all our real traits are actually going to be the important parameters in making you eligible to receive an award. So I once again congratulate all of you. I'm very sorry if you think this has been a very boring advice, but I tell you, though it may be considered boring, right? But still, whatever I told is truth. Because when I tell you to be truthful, I don't think I can be lying to you. So we are also trying to be as much truthful as possible, right? So I congratulate all of you. I also wish to record my thanks to the Office of the Alumni Association for sparing their valuable time and for working with SVC. Me as a patron and also me as a member of SVC Alumni Association for your kind information of all the Budding Bright Engineers. I am also going to be a part of association along with you when you pass out, because I passed out of this great institution in the year 1991. I belong to 87 to 91 batch. So we will all be working together, and let's work together to make this institution, a very great one. So with this request to you, I also wish to thank our all the alumni faculty coordinators. I wish to thank the HODs and Vice Principal ma'am and all the other faculty members who have spared their time to gather here and to felicitate all of you. So with this few words, I thank. And I thank the Alumni Association especially for giving me this opportunity to address all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your earnest welcome address, sir. Yeah, I'm sure it motivated every one of us. We promise to follow your advice.
Now, I would like to invite Mr. Sanjeev, Secretary of Alumni Association, to deliver a special talk.
Hi, thanks for having us here. So, on behalf of the Alumni Association, a happy Independence Day to all. First, let me thank the patron of the Alumni Association, GV sir, and Professor Janardhan, who happens to also be the treasurer of the association, since they are the key people responsible for making this event happen year after year. There's several hours of hard work and going through of applications, going through different students' capabilities, and the appreciation received is very minimal. So we all should be thankful to them for their contribution. GV sir has always been very supportive of the association, and his primary thing has always been how to help the students. And you all will keep knowing that as you interact with them over the next few years, how he helps shape the future leaders. He can be the guiding light, but it's up to you to decide how you want to shape your future, right? So he's there for all your support. I mean, he's there to support you guys, but it depends on how you take his support and his hand and figure out a way to make it big in life. So our appreciation to GV sir for all that he does and is continuing to do. In addition, let me congratulate all the recipients of the Budding Bright Engineers Award. You all are deserving candidates for this award. The only thing, as one of the points GV sir mentioned, let's not sit back and enjoy the recognition alone. Recognition lasts for the couple of minutes. It needs to, you need to act on it continuously. For example, if you are an Olympian, right? You win the first one medal in Olympics, you're forgotten after 8 years if you don't continue to perform. Or even if you take Wimbledon, people remember people who keep on delivering victories. That's the unfortunate truth of the world. But it's also important to realize that you should not settle for anything less when you can do more. And do more does not mean just for yourself, as GV sir rightly pointed out. There are a lot of people in the Alumni Association who have graduated from this great college. We've all had our own differences and our own issues, but we all get together as human beings and try to contribute back to the society and back to the association. So I hope each one of you would continue to do the same once you graduate from this institution. Talking about the association and the students, as you go through a college life, there will be a lot of things where you will find things are not done right, but there would be reasons for this. It's very easy to for us to find faults or for us to figure out certain things which are wrong. But as we grow up in our career, we will figure out, oh, what happened was probably not as wrong as what we think should have happened. So I hope you guys will all realize it as you go forward. And regarding the Budding Bright Engineers Award, what we have always hoped that this award would help motivate the individuals to keep performing, right? So our thing is not for you guys to stop at this. For most of you, this might be a first award. For lots, it might be a second or third or one of the many awards that they have won. But what we would like you to do is we want you to measure this award in terms of recognition given to you by the college and by the association, which for some people, they might think of it as being one of the awards, but as you progress down the years and as you grow older, these small memories will come back ringing to you. And you will remember these very fondly, I hope. A lot of people have reached out to us in the past who have been recipients of these awards, and they have expressed how they initially felt very elated about it and subsequently went on to go back and contribute more to the college and in society in general. And we hope all of you guys would do the same. One thing about the college I want to mention is how they have offered up many programs to the students. There has been an incubation center which has been put up in other centers that have been made available to the students in the past to enable them to bring forward their ideas and creativity. However, it is up to you all to take advantage of these resources that are at your disposal. So I would keep encouraging you all to reach out to the faculty, reach out to the alumni association in different manners, and try to make your college life both meaningful and help define it for your future life. Let me just give you a small brief of what the Alumni Association does. So the association is involved in many activities that are geared towards the students and obviously also towards the alumni. The alumni's focus would primarily be on the alumni, but each alumni group does consider the students who are going to come through and who are studying as our own. And you are all a part of the association as well by the virtue of being part of SVC. So it's our privilege to help you all out, but at the same time, we would also request you all to figure out in the right way we can support and help you so that it doesn't become an overburden to all the Alumni Association members, because obviously this is something that they're all doing in addition to their everyday responsibilities. But nevertheless, we have all signed up to help you all. So make complete, take the complete benefit that you can reap out of this. We have done several mentoring sessions with students across departments, but again, the onus is on the student to come forward and seek assistance so that we know how to guide you all. Again, you're on the last phase of your individual life before you will start taking up a lot of the responsibilities that is thrown your way by life. So enjoy your college life. Use this time to find your friends. These friends are going to be there for life. But at the same time, also understand that these 1 to 4 years will shape you for life. What you do here will definitely define you, or at least define you to a certain extent as you grow into your full-blown adulthood. Our college life will be a mix of ups and downs, but how you utilize these ups and ignore the downs will help you define the manner in which you will be able to handle the challenges that are thrown to you by life after college. One more important thing to consider is the sacrifices made by all your parents. A lot of folks in this generation seem to conveniently forget that. I hope you all don't fall into that same category of folks, but I hope you all would remember their contribution and make sure that they are proud. They'll be proud of you nevertheless. You get an award or not, they're all going to be there extremely proud of you. But what I want to state here is you all have to remember the contributions by them and continue to remember that throughout the life, and not just go to different parts of the world and then completely forget and not, do the right things to them, because that's happened in the past. We've seen a lot of things. Don't think of this as a Gyan session, but it is more of something which I'm telling you based on what we have all seen in life, and we want to share those things with you so that you all do better than most of us have done in life. As GV sir mentioned in passing about how communication is important, he mentioned about how a student could have just picked up the phone and probably mentioned something which would have made a difference, a complete difference in how another person looks at you or views you. We all, as we grow in life, need to understand that communication is an extremely key aspect of life. Your time is valuable to you. Another person's time is valuable to them. In society, we are unfortunately seeing times when people are extremely selfish and look at only their time as being most important. The society and you will grow more once you understand the very key important aspect of communication, how you need to let each other know and communicate effectively so that there is no chance for miscommunication or misunderstanding, or for people forming some opinions without knowing all the facts. So until we put across the facts, the communication is going to be lost. And there's no point in blaming the other person for forming his or her own opinion. So communication is extremely key. I hope you all would make sure you understand that, and you will have no idea, but trust me, 10 years down the line, you're going to remember this and say that, yes, communication is key for success in life, be it in all forms of life, in all, if you want to be successful, being able to effectively communicate and being able to communicate by mail or by letter or by words is going to be very important. So I won't take more of your time. Keep working hard. There is absolutely no substitute for hard work, absolutely none. Work with integrity and honesty, and may you all be successful in whatever you want to achieve. Once again, congratulations to every single recipient of the award. Good luck to one and all, and thank you for having us be present here and be available to give you guys this award. Thank you again.
Thank you, sir, for the brief on the association and your genuine advice for the awardees. And now we have reached the prime moment of the event. I'd like to call Dr. P. Janathanan, Treasurer of Alumni Association, to announce the award winners.
Good morning to everyone. Alumni Association SVCE Budding Bread Engineer Award. The association is pleased to announce the selected candidate for the Budding Bread Engineering Award for the academic year 2021-22. The award comprises of a cash prize of rupees 2,500 and a certificate of merit. 2 UG students per each department are selected based on their first year academic performance and economic means. The award aims at motivating the students to maintain a consistent academic performance throughout their degree. The following is the list of second year students selected for the Budding Bread Engineering Award for the academic year 2021-22. Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Meenakshi Award. Vishwanathan PS from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Manish Sen from Automobile Engineering. Mukesh Sen from Automobile Engineering. Jyoti from Biotechnology. Udayarajan Y from Biotechnology. Harini R from Chemical Engineering. Yao Raymond I from Chemical Engineering. Pratibha from Civil Engineering. Kritika Shivakumar from Civil Engineering. Balaji A from Computer Science and Engineering. Lakshmi Narayanan F from Computer Science and Engineering. Harida D from Electronics and Communication Engineering. Roman Raja C from Electronics and Communication Engineering. Purani B from Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Sri Laya RT from Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Asavardhini G from Information Technology. Roshan S from Information Technology. Deepak D from Marine Engineering. Rohit Manoj from Marine Engineering. Hari Gautam R from Mechanical Engineering. Shamir Mohammed S from Mechanical Engineering. The association wishes them all success in their future endeavor. Thank you all.
Congratulations to all the award winners. Now, I request all the award winners to say a few words. Let's start with Meenakshi of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department.
Good morning to everyone. I really thank my college for providing me this opportunity to participate in this event, and this has motivated me a lot to further improve my curriculum as well as co-curricular activities. And also I thank my professors, lecturers, and all my FAs for molding me throughout my journey, and I feel really grateful to be a part of this college. Thank you.
Next, can we have Vishnu Vasan of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department? Vishnu Vasan.
Please turn on your mic, Mr. Vasan.
I'm sorry. Good morning, everybody. This is Vishnu Vasan from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. So, for more at SVC, I would like to thank the management, the jury, and everybody who have associated in this award. And this college has acted as a bridge for my academics and as well as the co-curricular activities as well. So, uh, thank you, everybody.
Next, can we have Manish of Automobile Department?
A very good day to all of you present here. I am really glad to be a part of this program, Budding Bright Engineers. I am really grateful to thank my parents and mentors and my faculty members for leading to this program. Thank you.
Next, can we have Mukesh of Automobile Department?
A pleasant good morning to 100% here. I'm Mukesh from First Year Automobile Department, and I'm excited to receive this Budding Bright Award for this year. This is not only my hard work, it's all our staff's effort and motivation that helped me out to get this. I thank our professors as well as they helped me to improve in my extracurricular activities. As well as I have visited lab that had more efficient and equipped particles. And I thank you.
Next, can we have Jyoti Sri of Biotechnology Department?
It's a huge honor for me to receive this award. I'd like to thank my superiors for recognizing my work. Thank you for this award and thank you all.
Next, can we have Udayarajan of Biotechnology Department?
Good morning to everyone. Myself Udayarajan from Department of Biotechnology, first year. I would like to thank my faculty advisor and my HOD of the Department of Biotechnology. And I would like to thank my father and my family for supporting me in my career. And I really like the thing. I really like the motto of this meeting because I really got motivated. Mainly the motivational speech of the principal really attracted me. So thank you for this excellent Google Meet. Thank you.
Next, can we have Harini of Chemical Department?
Good morning to all. I'm Harini from Chemical Department. I'm thankful for all for considering me for this award, and it would be impossible for me without the help and support from my department, faculty advisor, HOD sir, and all the subject teachers. And I convey my heartiest wishes to all other friends. And I feel great delight to be chosen to get respect from this wonderful association. Thank you so much.
Next, can we have Joe Raymond of Chemical Department?
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I greatly feel honored. I'd like to thank all the jury members and the superiors for awarding me this. It is greatly known that SPC is indeed an premium institution. While studying days in my college, I can feel the positive vibe of the college, and it is really giving me a great environment. I can ensure that when going out of the college, I can be definitely the smartest one in the room. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Next, can we have Pratibha of Civil Department?
Good morning, everyone. I'm Pratibha S. from Civil Engineering Department. I'm feeling really very proud to be a part in this event, and I thank all my faculties and subject teachers who helped me to score this much of CGPA. Thank you.
Next, can we have Ritika Shivakumar of Civil Department? Ritika, you're not audible. Your voice is not heard. You're not audible till now.
Increase your audio volume.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now you're audible.
Good morning, everybody. This is Ritika Shivakumar from Civil Engineering. It is a great privilege and honor for me to receive this award from the Alumni Association. This would be a great encouragement for me to perform the same in the upcoming examination. To say about SVCE, it was a dream institution for me to join, and fortunately, I got into SVCE through counseling, and I'm very grateful to be an SVCEN. Thank you.
Next, can we have Balaji of Computer Science Department?
Okay, ma. Next, ma.
Next, I invite Lakshmi Narayanan S from CSE department.
Hi, it's a great morning to wake up to. It's first of all, happy Independence Day, happy 75th Independence Day to all. India has come a long way since our independence, and we should be really proud of it. And I feel really great, really honored to be a part of this Alumni Association and receive this award from Alumni Association. And I thank all those advices given by the principal and Sanjeev sir, Sanjeev Anna, I believe. It was really helpful. And secondly, I would like to thank my family. I believe you can see some of them in here. They've been providing support since the start, from feeding to making me join this college. This college, SVCE, has opened a lot of connections, has opened a lot of doors to me. It's always those connections that matters to me, and it is not always the academics. It is those connections that will stay till the end, and I hope that it stays the same. And secondly, I would like to thank my faculty advisor as well, E. Rajalakshmi ma'am. She's been a fantastic advisor to me since the beginning, from providing supports to all those events to where I am right now, receiving this award. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying that obviously it's been 75 years since independence for India, and make sure that those struggles by Mahatma Gandhi, by everyone out there, make sure that their struggles is worth it. And your life journey is a one-time journey, and make sure to have at least one extraordinary chapter. Thank you.
Next, I call Harita D from EC department.
Sorry to interrupt. This is Balaji. I had a network issue. Really sorry. I just came outside from my home and I speak there. Okay, I would like to speak in Tamil so that the words come from bottom of our heart. ஓகே, இப்போ இந்த பட்டிங் பிரைட் இன்ஜினியர் அவார்ட் பற்றி தான் பேச சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இது பேசுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்னுடைய 1 year SVC எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் நான் வந்து சொல்ல விரும்புகிறேன். ஸோ இந்த 1 year எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நமக்கு வந்து மோஸ்ட்லி ஆன்லைன் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் தான். 5 days கிட்ட தான் நான் வந்து காலேஜ் போனேன். பட் அந்த 5 daysமே ஒரு ஃபென்டாஸ்டிக் டேஸ் கம்பேர்ட் டு ஆல் த ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ நம்ம வந்து ஜென்ரலாக வந்து நான் வந்து அதிகமாக தேங்க் பண்ணுறது வந்து இந்த ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி அட்வைசர்ஸ்க்கு. ஸோ அவங்க தான் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த பிரிட்ஜ் பிட்வீன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ப்ரொஃபஸர்ஸ், மேடம், ஸோ எல்லாருக்குமே அவங்க தான் வந்து ஒரு பிரிட்ஜ் மாதிரி செயல்படுறாங்க. ஸோ அவங்க தான் வந்து நம்மளுடைய டவுட்ஸ், குவரிஸை டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கு எடுத்துகிட்டு போகிறாங்க, அண்ட் ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு இன்ஃபர்மேஷனாலும் நமக்கு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி அட்வைசர்ஸ் ஹஸ் டன் எ கிரேட் ஜாப் இன் திஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ எனக்கு எடுத்த ஒவ்வொரு ப்ரொஃபஸர், ஒவ்வொரு மேடம், ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டாஃப், ஸோ எல்லாருக்குமே வந்து நான் வந்து ரியலி தேங்க்ஃபுல் பண்ணுறேன். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இந்த அலுமினி அசோசியேஷனுக்கு நான் வந்து ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் பண்ணுறேன். பிகாஸ் காலேஜை முடிச்சுட்டு வந்து எல்லாருமே ஒரு யூனிட்டியாக கேதர் பண்ணி வர ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு மோட்டிவேஷன் பண்ணுறது இட் வில் பி ரியலி ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல். நாட் இன் டர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் மணி, 2500 rupeesனால கிடையாது. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு மீட்டிங் வச்சு அதில் பிரின்சிபல் சார் பேசின மாதிரி இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய மோட்டிவேஷனல் ஸ்பீக்கர் வச்சு இதுதான்ப்பா அவனுடைய ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இது, இன்னும் நீ நிறையா க்ரோ பண்ணும், இப்போ எப்படி இருக்குது அதே மாதிரி நீ வந்து இன்னும் கண்டினியூ பண்ணு. ஸோ இது எல்லாமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரியலி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். பட் எனக்கு வந்து ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு, எல்லாருக்குமே ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும் நான் வந்து நம்புகிறேன். அதே சமயம் எல்லாருக்கும் வந்து சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இவ்வளோ தான் வந்து ஸ்பீச். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் inviting me to deliver this speech, and really sorry to have had a network issue.
Thank you, Balaji. Now I invite Harita D from EC department.
Good morning to everybody and happy Independence Day to all. I thank the institution for giving me this award. I thank my parents for their immense support throughout my career, and I'm very happy to be a part of in this prestigious institution, and the faculties were very good, friendly, and they guide me with everything that I need. I really hope the pandemic ends soon, and I wish I would come to college as soon as possible. Thank you.
Now I call Mohan Raja C from EC department.
Good morning to one and all present here. This is Mohan Raja from Electronics and Communication Department. I'm really honored to have been presented with this award. I would like to begin my oration by thanking my professors who put in a lots of effort teaching through the virtual mode during this pandemic. Then I would like to thank my faculty advisors who are very supportive and encouraging whenever I had an inquiry. Finally, I am thankful and proud to have very supportive parents who helped me join this reputed college and paved my road for my success. Adapting to new normal was difficult at first. I was not able to concentrate for a long time. Slowly we are getting used to it, but still I miss my real college days and cannot wait for college to start. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to express my gratitude, and I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Thank you once again.
Next, I would like to call Purani B from EEE department.
Good morning, everyone. I feel very happy to receive this award. Thanks to SVC management, and this award is a great motivation for us to achieve more in future. And I would like to thank all the faculty advisors and faculty members for their constant support throughout this journey. And thanks to Alumni Association for presenting this prestigious award. Thank you.
I invite Srilaya RT from EEE department.
A very good morning to everyone. I'm Shreya RT from EEE department. First of all, I would like to thank the management for this award. It's such an encouragement. It encourages me to work hard and give my best shot at anything I do. And it's been a great journey at SVC so far. And I've had an amazing learning experience with the professors. Thank you so much for motivating me and bringing out the best in me. And yes, looking forward to an exciting second year probably on campus. Thank you so much and happy Independence Day to everyone.
Next, let us hear from Harshavardhini from IT department.
So good morning to one and all present here. So first of all, I would like to thank the management and the Alumni Association for giving us such a proud moment. And as Principal Sir told, this is our first award. I mean, this is my first award and I'm very proud and I'm very happy too. And even though I have been to college only for 4 days, it's been a wonderful experience. And I would like to thank my faculty advisor, G. Sangeeta ma'am. She has done a wonderful job to encourage me all the time. She's never failed to do it. And my HOD ma'am, Dr. Vidya ma'am. And thank you so much for everything. And looking forward for the same award. And I ensure that I will put in all my effort to in the coming years. Thank you so much.
Next, I call Roshan from IT department.
Good morning. I am Roshan from Information Technology. So first of all, I thank SVC Alumni Association for providing me this award. And this motivates me a lot and it helped me to perform in the upcoming years. And over this 1 year, I have experienced a lot of great things in SVC. So I thank my HOD ma'am, Dr. Vidya ma'am, and my faculty members and all my faculty advisors for their constant support and motivation. So I'm having a great time in SVC. and I'm hoping to experience offline classes. Thank you.
Now I call Deepak D from Marine Department.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நானும் என்னோட ஸ்பீச்சை தமிழ்லயே கொடுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ தட் இது ஒரு ஹார்ட்லேருந்து வர மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் என்னோட ஃபேக்கல்டி அட்வைசர் சங்கரன் சார் அண்ட் கிளாஸ் கமிட்டி சேர்பர்சன் ஆனந்தன் சாருக்கு ஒரு நன்றி. அண்ட் அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா என்னோட பிசிக்ஸ் மேம் பாரதி மேம் அண்ட் மேக்ஸ் சார் சுரேஷ் சார், இவங்க 2 பேருக்கும் ஒரு ஸ்பெஷல் தேங்க்ஸ். 2 பேருமே ரொம்ப நல்லா நடத்தி இந்த அளவுக்கு ஸ்கோர் பண்றதுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க. அண்ட் மை ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ், அவங்க சப்போர்ட் இல்லாம இதை பண்ணியிருக்க முடியாது. அண்ட் எல்லாருக்குமே நன்றி. இந்த வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்த அலுமினி அசோசியேஷனுக்கும் நன்றி.
Let us hear from Rohit Manoj from Marine Department.
Good morning to all. First of all, I like to thank all the faculties and principals for this award. And it's been a year since I joined SVC, and the experience was very wonderful. I like to thank all the teachers, staffs, and students for helping me to reach where I am here. And so, thank you all.
Next, I call Hari Gautam R from Mechanical Department.
This is such a drive to and able to give me this award, and thank you.
And finally, we have Shamir Mohammed S from Mechanical Department.
Good morning to all. This is Shamir Mohammed from Mechanical Department. First, I would like to thank all my department staff who have suggested me for this award. Okay. Thank you for this award.
Hearty wishes to all the award winners. Thank you all. Now, we would like to hear the feedback from the parents. I kindly request parents of Meenakshi to say a few words.
Hello everyone. My hearty wishes to all for a happy Independence Day. I am father of our Meenakshi. First of all, I would like to thank all faculties and alumni members for providing such a nice platform for all students. And I wish all students, whoever won now, this is just a beginning, and just start, keep going. I wish you all future success. And once again, my thanks to all everyone. Thank you.
Now, I request Vishnu Vasan's parents to come.
குட் மார்னிங் அண்ட் ஹாப்பி இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் டே டு ஆல். இந்த அளவுக்கு வெற்றிகரமாக இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் நடத்துனதுக்கு பார்த்து ரொம்ப பெருமையாகவும் இருக்குது. இதில் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ண அத்தனை ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். இதில் இவ்வளோ சப்போர்ட் கொடுத்த ஹெச்ஓடி அண்ட் ஃபேக்கல்டி அட்வைசர் வினோதா மேடம், ஸோ எல்லோரும் இந்த அளவுக்கு என்கரேஜ் பண்ணி உங்களுடைய என்னென்ன டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் இம்மீடியட்டாக கிளியர் பண்ணி இவ்வளோ தூரம் கொண்டு வந்து சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக செஞ்சதுக்கு எங்களுடைய பின்னாடி இருந்து இவ்வளோ சப்போர்ட் பண்ண எல்லாருக்கும் எங்களுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள், நன்றிகளையும் தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறோம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Now, I request parents of Manish to say a few words.
Good morning. I am Maheshwari, mother of Manish Nalluswamy. I am really proud that, and I thank everyone who guided him and for acknowledging his success as well. I have very much satisfied that I have placed my son in the right place and right hands. Congrats to all the budding bright engineers. All the very best to the organization for all of its future endeavors, especially to the principal who have given nice motivational speech to the children. Thanks for the opportunity. Once again, thank you everyone.
Now, I request Mukesh's parents to say a few words.
Hello.
பேசட்டுமா? வணக்கம். பேசுறீங்க எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். உங்க பையன் இந்த அவார்டு வாங்குறது எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்குங்க. இன்னும் மேலும் மேலும் அவன் அவார்டு வாங்கணும்னு நான் ரொம்ப ஆசைப்படுறேங்க. நான் நடக்கும்னு எதிர்பார்க்கிறேன். நன்றிங்க மேடம்.
Now I request parents of Jyoti Sri to say a few words.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். அவளுக்கு இந்த அவார்ட் கிடைச்சது எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாகவும் இருக்குது, பெருமையாகவும் இருக்குது. இந்த பட்டிங் பிரைட் இன்ஜினியர் அவார்டு வாங்கின எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். இனிய சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். எல்லா ஆசிரியருக்கும் என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றிகள்.
Now I request parents of Udayarajan to say a few words.
This is Udayarajan mothers madam. எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு உதயராஜன் இந்த அவார்டு வாங்கினதுல. அப்புறம் உதயராஜன் இப்போ ரொம்ப டவுனான சுச்சுவேஷன்ல இருந்தாங்க, அவங்க அப்பா இறந்துட்டாங்க அப்படின்ட்டு. இந்த டைம்ல இந்த அவார்டு வாங்கினதுல அவன் இன்னும் நல்ல இருக்கு, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. இது முக்கியமா தேங்க் பண்றது திவாகர் சார், ஹரிஹரன் சார், அப்புறம் அந்த ஹெச்ஓடி மேடம், இவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் தேங்க் பண்றேன். ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் மேடம். தேங்க்யூ.
Now I request parents of Harini to say a few words.
ஹலோ, நான் ஹரிணியோட ஃபாதர் பேசுகிறேன். ஹரிணிக்கு இந்த அவார்டு கிடைச்சது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். இது ஒரு கோர்ஸுக்கு 2 தான் கொடுக்குறீங்கன்னு இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணி கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா பசங்களை நல்லா மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். தேங்க்யூ.
Now I request Joe Raymond's parents to say a few words.
I apologize, I'm being out, so my parents are unable at the moment.
Now I request Pradeepa's parents to say a few words.
குட் மார்னிங். நான் பிரதீபாவோட அப்பா பேசுகிறேன். எல்லாருக்கும் சுதந்திர தின வாழ்த்துக்கள். பிரதீபா இந்த அளவுக்கு ஸ்கோர் பண்ணதுக்கு மெயின் ரீசன் மிஸ்டர் கலைவரன் சார் தான். அவருக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஏன்னா அவர் மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணது தான் இவ்வளவு இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸாக வந்திருக்கா அப்படின்றது எனக்கு நல்லா தெரியுது. ஸோ மற்ற டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கு நான் ஒன்றும் சொல்றது இல்லை, எல்லாரும் நல்லா பெஸ்ட்டாக பண்ணுறாங்க. ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்லேயே சூப்பராக பண்ணுறதுக்கு நல்லா தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் ஆல். தேங்க்யூ.
Now I request Ritika Shivakumar's parents to speak.
சார், நான் ரித்திகா சிவகுமார் ஃபாதரு. ஆக்சுவலாக இந்த அவார்ட் கிடைச்சதுக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸு. நான் என்ன சொல்கிறேன்னா, ஃபஸ்ட்டு ரித்திகாவுக்கு எஸ்விசியில் இடம் கிடைச்சதே ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். ஆக்சுவலாக தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.
Now I request Balaji's parents to speak a few words.
நான் பாலாஜியோட அம்மா பேசுகிறேன். இப்போ இந்த நேரத்தில் எஸ்சிசியோட அனைத்து ப்ரொஃபஸர்கள், கைடு அட்வைசர் எல்லாத்துக்கும் நன்றி சொல்கிறேன். அவங்க தான் ரியல் ஹீரோ. என் மகனுக்கு இந்த அவார்டு கொடுத்ததுக்காக நன்றி சொல்கிறேன்.
I request parents of Lakshmi Narayanan to share a few words.
ஹலோ, நான் லட்சுமி நாராயண் மதர் பேசுகிறேன். எஸ்வி காலேஜ் சேர்ந்தது ரொம்பவே சந்தோஷம். உனக்கு அந்த காலேஜ் சேர்க்கணுங்கிறதுக்காகவே தான் நாங்கள் இது பண்ணினோம். சேர்ந்து நல்லபடியாக இந்த ட்ரிப்பு அவார்ட் வாங்கினது ரொம்ப 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 சந்தோஷம். எல்லா ஃபேக்கல்டிகளுக்கும் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். இன்னும் சப்போர்ட் கொடுத்து அவனை நல்லா கொண்டுட்டு வரணும். தேங்க்யூ.
நான் லட்சுமி நாராயணோட பெரியமா பேசுகிறேன். I am very proud that my son got admission in your college. Then I am very proud to got this awards. And I congratulate all the students who got these awards. Please motivate such like awards. Thank you.
I request Harita D's parents to share their few words.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
என்னுடைய சுதந்திர வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன் அனைவருக்கும்.
எஸ்விஎஸ் காலேஜ் மிகவும் சிறந்த காலேஜ். எல்லாருடைய அவார்டு வின்னருக்கும் என்னோட நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்த ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸில் இந்த கோவிட்-19 ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸில் மிக சிறப்பாக நடத்தி கொடுத்ததற்கு மிகவும் நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நன்றி.
Next, I invite Mohan Raja's parents.
Good morning to all and happy independence to all. I preferred this college is very good. My son getting this award is very much of happy to my life. I like thank to all management, HOD, staffs to getting this award for my son. Thank you very much. Happy Independence Day.
Next, I invite parents of Purani B to share their thoughts.
Good morning to all. I thank SVCE management, principal and alumni association for giving the prestigious award to my daughter. And I would also like to thank all faculty members for providing the best education through online mode. And congratulations to all students. Thank you all.
Next, I invite Sheila's parents.
Morning, everyone. First of all, I thank the management for setting up a platform and motivating the children. And congratulations to all the prize winners. And my only piece of advice is stay focused, never stop learning. And this is just a first stepping stone, and make use of this launch pad and go ahead and come out with flying colors. And special thanks to the entire teaching fraternity of SVCE for being so committed and organizing things in a very professional manner and making sure students are always connected and learning, and they are able to perform and coming out with good marks on that. Thank you so much.
I call parents of Harshavardhini to share a few words.
So good morning, everyone. I feel so honored to be amongst this award winners and the alumni members. The very fact that the students coming out of this institution over 30 plus years have been excelling in different fields, not only on the core areas, they've been excelling in different fields. That proves the quality of education this institution has been into. So I congratulate all the faculty members, faculty advisors, HODs and principal and the management to keep doing this job and continue contributing to the society. And once again, my heartiest congratulations to all the award winners. And it's a long way to go. Keep doing a good job and live up to the expectations of the management as well as the parents community. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Next, I invite parents of Roshan. Roshan, are you there?
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Sir, please unmute your mic to speak, sir. Okay.
Hello. Can you audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Good morning to all. I'm father of Roshan. I'm very happy to get my son this budding bright engineering award. எனக்கு எஸ்விசியில் சீட்டு கிடைச்சதே பெரிய விஷயம். இதில் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு அவார்டு இனிஷியலி அவனுக்கு கங்க்ராட்ஸ் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. பிரின்சிபல் சாருடைய ஸ்பீச் கேட்டேன் நான். ஸோ எப்படி பசங்க வந்து படிக்கணும், எப்படி ப்ரொசீட் பண்ணணுன்றத டீப்பாக ஒரு கார்டு ஒரு மாதிரி அவருக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காரு. அவருடைய ஃபேக்கல்டிஸ், அவருடைய ரோஷனுடைய எல்லா டீச்சர்ஸும் நல்லா பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. இந்த பேண்டமிக் சுச்சுவேஷனில் வந்து இந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு பட்டிங் பிரைட் இன்ஜினியர் அவார்டு இனாகிரேஷன் வந்து ஒரு டைரக்டர் டெமோ பார்க்குற மாதிரியே இருந்தது. ஸோ இது வந்து எஸ்சிசியுடைய கிரேட்னஸை காட்டுது. ஸோ பசங்களுடைய ரெகுலர் ஸ்டடி இல்லாமல் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து அதர் கரிக்குலர் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ், இந்த ஆன்லைன் சர்டிஃபிகேட் கோர்ஸ், ஒய்ஆர்சி அண்ட் என்எஸ்எஸ் ஆல் அடிஷ்னல் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ்லாம் வந்து கொடுத்து பசங்களை பிரைட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி பேண்டமிக் சுச்சுவேஷன்லேயே ரெகுலர் காலேஜில் போகிற மாதிரியே அந்த கோச்சிங், கைடிங், சப்போர்ட்டிங் எல்லாம் கொடுத்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் யுவர் சப்போர்ட் அண்டு என்கரேஜ்மெண்ட்.
Next, I invite Deepak's parents.
ஹலோ, குட் மார்னிங் சார். நான் தீபக்கோட பேரண்ட் பேசுறேன். நான் உங்க காலேஜ் வந்து எனக்கு எப்படி என்னன்னுலாம் தெரியாது. நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் இப்பதான் வந்து தம்பி படிக்கிறான். வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷனா இருக்கு. ஏன்னா வந்து நீங்க ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்லாம் வந்து அப்பப்ப என்ன பண்றீங்க, கூப்பிட்டு பாத்துக்கிறீங்க. ஏன்னா அவங்க ஆன்லைன்ல போட்டு விட்டு எது வேணாலும் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. இப்ப நான் எல்லாமே பாக்குறேன் நிறைய. இப்ப வந்து நீங்க என்ன செய்றீங்கன்னா, அப்பப்ப அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட் எல்லாம் இருக்காங்களா அப்படிங்கறத நீங்க வாட்ச் பண்ணிக்கிறீங்க. அப்பப்ப வந்து கொஸ்டின் கேக்குறீங்க, தீபக் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவனுக்கு ஒரு கொஸ்டின் கேக்குறீங்க. அப்பதான் ஆன்லைன்ல இருக்கானா என்னங்கறத நீங்களும் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறீங்க. அவனும் ஆஹா நம்ம பேரை கூப்பிட்டுடுவாங்க, நம்ம ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் வந்து கரெக்டா அட்டன் பண்ணும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி அவனும் ப்ராப்பரா இது பண்றான். நல்லா இருக்கு, எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. எனக்கு எங்க பையன், நாங்க வந்து நடுத்தர வர்க்கம் உள்ளவங்க தான் நாங்க. எங்க பையன் வந்து கேம்பஸ்லயே செலக்ட் ஆகி நல்லா வரணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறேன் நானு. அதுக்கு நீங்க நல்லா இது பண்றீங்க, கோச் கொடுக்குறீங்க. இன்னமும் அவனை வந்து இன்னும் பண்ணணும். ஆனா நீங்க நேரம் வந்து அவனுக்கு பிராக்டிக்கல் ஒர்க் எல்லாம் நல்லா இது பண்றது அவனுக்கு தெரிஞ்சுப்பான். ஆனா அதுக்குதான் கொஞ்சம் வாய்ப்பு இல்லாம போயிடுச்சு. மித்தபடி எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு உங்க காலேஜை பத்தி. எனக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. எனக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸுங்க.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I call Rohit Manoj's parents.
Good morning to all. I am Rohit's mother. Thank you for this award, and I congratulate all other winners of this college. Thank you.
I invite Hari Gautam's parents.
வணக்கம், அனைவருக்கும் சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். இந்த அவார்டு கொடுத்த அலுமினி, அப்புறம் எஸ்விசி, டோட்டல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டு, அது ஃபேக்கல்டிஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
I thank all the parents for sharing your feedback. Now that we have reached the end of the ceremony, I invite Nivedita to deliver the vote of thanks.
In life, we receive a great deal more than we give. It is only with gratitude life becomes rich. With that note, I would like to deliver the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I would like to thank our dear principal, vice principal, controller of examination, deans, faculty members who constantly motivate and encourage the student community. I thank our alumni association for this great event to happen even during this pandemic time. I would like to extend my thanks to our HODs, parents, alumni association members, faculty for taking their time to attend this ceremony. Thank you all.
I humbly request everyone to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे